Hi, Justin here, coming live from Estero, Florida. We are marine specialty contractors. We specialize in shoreline erosion restoration and erosion control. I just want to point out this nice stand of Spikerush. This is a littoral plant, which is just a fancy word for seasonally flooded. And this plant grows here along the bottom of the lake shore. And this is a very nice, healthy colony here. This Spikerush, one of the main purposes that it has as far as preventing erosion is as you get wind to come off of the lake, the wind will create a little bit of wave action, and the wave will actually come in on a windy day and pound on the shoreline and cause erosion on your shoreline. So by having this nice zone of littorals here, it breaks up those waves and the wind, and it breaks up the ripple effect that you get from the wind, and it reduces the amount of impact that you have on the shoreline. Now, we would like to see some more littoral plants at the top of the shoreline here. This would be considered the transitional zone and the mid zone. So that would probably take another variety of littorals, and we might talk to the customer about that. Because when they grow up here and colonize up here at the top of the shoreline, that prevents erosion at the top, namely from all the sheet flow and the water coming down from rain. So it's important to have a nice littoral shelf down below at the bottom of your shoreline, but we could add a few more in the top here just to complete the whole system. And in actuality, a very healthy lake here in South Florida, you shouldn't even be able to see the shoreline. It should just be completely covered in native plants, which help filter the water, prevent erosion, provide habitat for birds and wildlife. They look pretty, they attract butterflies. There's lots of benefits to having littorals, and a healthy lake always has a lot of littoral plants in it.